During the Senate hearing of the Committee of National Defense, together with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Department of National Defense, it looks like the Philippine Air Force will still get some Russian Mi-17 HIP helicopters after all, if what the DND reported to the Senate pushes through. When asked by Senator Raffy Tulfo about the status of the refund on the 15% down payment worth 1.9 billion pesos made for the acquisition of Russian Mi-17 HIP helicopters, a DND official mentioned that they are looking at an option to accept helicopters that were already under construction, with the 1.9 billion to be used as payment. This option means that the down payment would not be returned by Russia, and instead they will deliver the helicopters that are worth the amount. The contract is worth 12.8 billion pesos for 16 helicopters. While Russia is reportedly giving another helicopter as a freebie, it appears that this won't be happening anymore. Thus, each helicopter with its support package is worth around 800 million pesos, and the 1.9 billion peso deposit is good enough for 2 helicopters. The remaining value could be used for additional spare parts. The Mi-17 is a Soviet-designed Russian military helicopter family in production at 2 factories in Kazan and Ulan-Ude. It is known as the Mi-8M series in Russian service. The helicopter is mostly used as a medium twin-turbine transport helicopter, as well as an armed gunship version. It has a maximum speed of 280 km/h or 150 knots and a range of 800 kilometers. The Mi-17 has a crew of 2 pilots and 1 engineer and is capable of transporting 24 soldiers or 12 stretchers internally.